everyone, it's Symonne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday and it's set day, so I can film a little bit, but I can't really tell you or show what I'm doing on set today, but I'm super excited. It's just like a fun little project that I'm doing. And then tomorrow is Sunday and I'm gonna do a weekend vlog, and on Sunday I have 2 birthday parties and I'm super excited. So let's get ready for set. Okay, so I just got done getting ready. I'm in my outfit. It's just like a cute pajama. It's just like a bedtime scene. So now I have my hair done. It's just gonna be straight. And now we gotta go to set. So let's go. Okay, so we just got done filming the first scene. And now I'm in this outfit. I have my space buns in as usual. And now it's a comedy scene. So now we are going to the second location, and I'm super excited for this one because I'm gonna be like kind of a nerdish character. And I really like this scene. It's one of my favorite scenes, so let's go. That's a wrap! Hey guys! It's 8:15 and we just got done filming, and I just had ice cream too, so I was really tired and now I'm on a sugar rush. So now I'm going to get in my pajamas and play with my family for some family game night fun. Oh, that rhymed. And tomorrow I have 2 birthday parties for 2 of my best friends, and I'm so excited! I'll see you tomorrow. Good night! So now I look better. I fixed my hair a little bit because the buns were falling out, and now I have my hair curled, and now we're going to take Instagram pictures. We have like 4 different outfits. Alright guys, this is my OOTD, and thank you for interrupting, elevator. Well, I have my OMG Accessories backpack, and this is literally so cute. And now we're walking to our car, and I have this adorable cheetah top. I feel like this is like 75 questions of Vogue. So now I have this cheetah top, and these black leggings, and these Nina Kid shoes. And I love my outfit, it's so cute. And I took a lot of cute pictures in my other outfits. I didn't vlog because we're already running late to this birthday party and I didn't have time. But I'll vlog at the birthday party. See ya! Birthday party. Now my friend Peyton's house. Say hi, Paityn. Hi. She would come in the ball pit, but She broke her foot, so she can't. But she's gonna give me lessons of how to ball pit. And I changed it to her sweatshirt because I was cold.
I think you should do belly flop.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I do that.
I'm dead.
A 6.8,
I don't even know what that was.
or maybe like an 8.2. Somewhere in the middle of that.
6.8 to 8.2. And I call that a success, ladies.
It was good. It was good. It was good.
Okay, now
You have a ball put in your head. A ball in your head.
on my head. There we go. Daddy, I'm home.
Hi, sweetie.
What?
Look at Revenge 2.
Oh my gosh, you got me Colorado donuts? On the way home, I'm like, I want Colorado donuts. And my mom's like, it's too late, sweetie, we can't go. Yay! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked this weekend vlog. It was my first time doing it, and I had so much fun at everyone's birthday parties and for set. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, like, and subscribe. And whoever does all 3 of those, leave a comment down below, and I'll like it, heart it, and respond. And with the donuts, again, I'll probably finish them before, so that won't happen. I love you so much. Bye!
You and I till the